Do you want your tourism business to stand out from the crowd and reach more visitors? A business listing is a fast, free and convenient way to market your business to over 20 million people at home and abroad. Hi, I'm Catherine, and in this video, I will show you how to quickly create an effective business listing on DiscoverIreland.ie, visit Dublin.com and Ireland.com to help you to promote your business to new audiences. So let's get started. To get started, visit faltoireland.ie/manager listing and click this button. All you need to do is fill out a simple form. First, make sure to read through the data contribution agreement and agree to the terms and conditions. Tick the box and click Next. Fill out your name and contact details. Next, it's time to enter your business information. Add your business's name, website and address so thousands of visitors can easily reach you. It's important to include a phone number and a booking page if you have one. Now it's time to get creative. Write a brief headline for your business. Keep it short, under 250 characters, and summarize what your business does best. Below this, add a lot more detailed description of your business. Share the things that make your business unique and provide plenty of information that visitors may find interesting. For example, does your restaurant serve award-winning food? Is your cafe pet-friendly? Are your tours customizable? Write in the third person and use descriptive language to help paint a picture of your business. And make sure to check your spelling. Next, provide some additional information about your business, such as what time of the year it's open and if there's free or paid car parking available. Only tick the boxes that are relevant to you. The final step is to upload images of your business and a video if you have a great one. The first image should be your primary image, the one you want to appear first on your listing. Make sure to use high-quality portrait or horizontal images, also known as landscape, that show your business in the best light. If you're an activity provider, use eye-catching shots of people enjoying your visitor experience. Or, if you're a cafe or a restaurant, share great images of your food and dining area. Then submit the form and you're done. You can expect to see your business listing online in 7 working days. If you want to make any changes to your listing once it's live, like updating your opening hours or highlighting a new facility, simply go to faltoireland.ie/manager listing. In the meantime, check out our video for more tips on how to promote your events on DiscoverIreland.ie, visit Dublin.com and Ireland.com. I'll see you next time.
And don't forget, for more great tips, resources and insights to further fuel your marketing success, be sure to visit our business support hub at faltoireland.ie.